Welcome back to Anderson's Smoke Show. Here on my channel, we like to try new things all the time, so we got a hold of one of the Grill Masters Club monthly subscription boxes. Stick around and I'll show you exactly what this subscription box is all about. If you're new here, I'm here to show you that backyard barbecue can be fun and easy, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you can keep up with my latest content. Write me a comment, let me know what you think of this Grill Masters Club monthly subscription box. Now let's get into it. Now Grill Masters Club sent me this box to review, and they've made me an official affiliate. So if you're interested in subscribing to their monthly subscription box, there's a link down in the description so that you can check it out and get some awesome and new products delivered to your door every month. So this is the first box that I've gotten from them. Now I did already open it just so I could get the prices and let you know how much each of these are worth. So first thing in the box, there is a sample bag of some pecan wood chips. These are from Vaughn Wood Products, and they are just a sample of wood chips. In a lot of these boxes, from what I've seen, they always do try to include some wood chip samples so that you can see some different things that are available across the market. So the main products in this box are going to be barbecue related. We're gonna start off with the sauce, and we've got some Loubière. This is some mild barbecue sauce. This runs about $9 a bottle. And then we've got two seasonings from Lotta Bull Barbecue, and these seasonings run $5.25 a piece. Now, if you're like me, you like to try new things all the time, what we have at the grocery store here locally really doesn't give us a lot of options when it comes to backyard barbecue and barbecue rubs and seasonings. So a subscription box like this is gonna introduce you to some new product that you may not have ever even known of, heard of, or had a chance to get your hands on. So these two rubs here, we've got the Diamond Dust Rib Rub. Looks like a pretty good rib rub. And we've got the Old Family Recipe Rib and Chicken Rub. Pretty excited to give these a try. I'm actually gonna be making some ribs here soon, and I think I'm gonna try these to start. This Loubière barbecue sauce, they claim that this is the best kept secret. I'm gonna give this a try in one of my future videos, and I'll remind you where I got it and let you know what I really think. Now I know subscription boxes aren't for everyone, but I'm gonna tell you why they work well for me and why they could work well for you. I like to try new things all the time, and I don't have a great selection here locally to me here in the Midwest. So a subscription box like this is gonna introduce me to a lot of new things, and it'll give me an opportunity to try something that I elsewise wouldn't have had an opportunity to try. Now Grill Masters Club will send this directly to your door from anywhere from $25 to $30 a month, depending on how many months you subscribe. I suggest that you head over to their website, take a look and see what their offerings are, and give it a try. And if you're gonna do so, use that link down in my description. That way they know that I sent you there. That pretty much sums it up for this unboxing of the Grill Masters Club monthly subscription box. I'm gonna use these products in my upcoming videos, and like I said earlier, I'm gonna remind you exactly where I got them. And we'll see you next time on Anderson's Smoke Show. Thanks again for tuning into Anderson's Smoke Show. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out that recommended video, then my Facebook and my Instagram pages. I'll see you there.